The future of warfare is increasingly shaped by the rapid development of the Internet of Military Things. As we look ahead, it's clear that IoMT will redefine how military operations are conducted, from battlefield tactics to base management. The Internet of Military Things is an interconnected web of sensors, devices, and systems that gather and share data in real time. These devices can include drones, vehicles, robots, wearables, biometric systems, and more. They create a data fabric that provides soldiers and commanders with immediate, actionable insights. This technology is not just conceptual, it's already being actively developed and deployed by military forces across the globe. For example, the Connected Soldier project by the U.S. Army integrates IoMT devices like biosensors and smart wearables into soldiers' gear. These systems monitor soldiers' physiological status, track mission data, and share critical information with nearby troops and vehicles. The U.S. Army also invested $3.8 million into IoMT sensors for Fort Benning, which are designed to improve public security, energy efficiency, and transportation. This is a clear signal that the military sees IoMT as a cornerstone for future operational readiness. IoMT devices come in many forms, each playing a crucial role in modern military strategies. These can be categorized into several key groups. First, wearable devices for soldiers. Devices like biosensors and smart helmets track health metrics and improve situational awareness, while exoskeletons enhance physical strength and endurance. Second, autonomous systems. Drones and unmanned ground vehicles carry out surveillance, reconnaissance, and combat missions without endangering soldiers on the front line. Smart bases are the next. Military installations are becoming more efficient and secure with IoT-connected sensors for resource management and biometric systems for safe access. Also, it is about predictive maintenance. Embedded sensors in military vehicles monitor engine performance, enabling predictive maintenance and reducing operational downtime. IoT-equipped weapons systems communicate with other military assets, ensuring coordinated and more efficient combat strategies. Despite its potential, IoMT faces some challenges, particularly in cost and durability. High-tech military gadgets, from drones to wearables, require significant upfront investment, and the maintenance of these systems can add up quickly. The global IoMT market, valued at $400 billion in 2023, is projected to grow to over $1.1 trillion by 2033, driven by the need for situational awareness and smarter warfare systems. However, scaling these devices across entire military forces remains a costly challenge. Durability is another concern. These devices must operate in harsh battlefield conditions, extreme temperatures, dust, moisture, and high-impact scenarios. While IoMT devices are being designed with these challenges, ensuring long-term performance in such environments is an ongoing issue. The initial widespread adoption of IoMT is likely to occur on military bases, where conditions are more controlled. Bases will serve as testing grounds for these technologies, providing a space to refine their usage in training, logistics, and operational planning. For instance, IoMT-based predictive maintenance systems can continuously monitor military vehicles, reducing downtime and extending asset lifespans by detecting mechanical issues before they become critical operational planning, reducing costs while ensuring readiness. At JetSoftPro, we specialize in developing advanced technologies, including cutting-edge military devices. Let's collaborate to shape the future of military innovation together.